wanted to try out a couple of his lenses for a bit, but I keep forgetting. So I am going to meet him out there and test out one of his lenses on my car to see if it's a lens that I like, that I want to get, etc. Oh, I'm already getting a decent amount of sun. Okay, so right now I'm using a 50mm fixed. Hazard it. Oh. I didn't get to do a lot of what I wanted to for this video, unfortunately. So I'm kind of just going to talk a little bit. The car isn't broken, but something isn't right. Okay, that was way too difficult to do while driving, so I'm just gonna kind of recap everything. So for a while, I kind of thought, you know, maybe something's wrong with my car, but asking questions to those that were in my life, they were like, no, you know, it's fine, it's whatever, like, you only ran a 10.18 quarter mile because you're new and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, but at the same time, I have a trans brake and it's an automatic, like, it doesn't take that much. I get that there's errors, but like, I ran consistently around that same time on the track. So it was bothering me the other day, and I decided to talk to one of my friends, and a couple Mustang people, and a well-renowned shop that's around here. They looked at my time slips and the info that I gave them. Like, your car basically looks like, on paper, it's a 600 to 700 horsepower car, not a 930 wheel. So your car either A, is not healthy, or B, you've got a bad tune. So I finally got answers to the questions that I've had for, I mean, it's been over a year since I ran. So I finally got answers. Obviously, like, it's not great news, but so next weekend we're going to data log my car and rule out the possibility of the car not being healthy. Hopefully rule that out. So it's running fine right now. I'm just gonna take it easy on it, and not drive it too much. I'm probably gonna switch it back to the E54 tune because it ran, you know, not better, but like, it ran how it was supposed to on the E54 tune. Like, it was pushing the correct amount of boost, because obviously on my high tune it's not pushing 16 pounds of boost. But yeah, so hopefully we can get some good news out of data logging the car and kind of go from there. So the car's not broken as far as I know, but, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for new videos. Yeah.